Welcome to Livability Lab 5.0. Livability Lab is an annual community event in Muskegon County focused on fostering significant positive changes through small projects. It brings together residents and workers to collaborate on ideas for community improvement, emphasizing the sum of factors contributing to the quality of life. During kickoff events, attendees form community action teams based on their interests. These teams then embark on 100-day projects related to one of the 5 livability elements. Now that the 100 days are over, let's see what our 2025 teams have achieved. Team number 1, Come and Grab. Their goal was to provide hygiene products for high school hygiene closets. They hosted a successful hygiene drive with Neal Fitness Center, collecting and donating supplies to 1 school so far. Team number 2, BFF Muskegon. This team aimed to raise awareness of breastfeeding benefits through educational campaigns for local businesses. They successfully partnered with other maternal and infant-centered organizations to gain traction for their campaign. Team number 3, Hop for Active Seniors. Their extensive goal was to create, distribute, compile, and analyze a survey for active seniors across Muskegon County. They wanted to understand healthy outdoor places, activities, and barriers, ensuring both urban and out-county seniors were reached. They successfully created the survey and gathered results, discovering desired services like free live music and lake transportation, as well as past services no longer available, such as free or low-cost fishing and boating access. Team number 5, Strengthening Volunteerism in Muskegon County. Their vision was to design a framework for a sustainable volunteer network, assemble a steering council, and create a volunteer coordinator contact list. They've since designed the framework, created the contact list, promoted the network, sent surveys to known coordinators, and held an initial meeting. Team number 6, Violence Knows No Boundaries. Their goal was to hold a community conversation on violence. They organized a discussion on how violence impacts the community, providing a meal and self-defense demonstration. Over 50 people attended, engaging in hard but honest conversations and providing feedback for future events. Team number 7, Healthy Connections. The team aimed to promote the Voice Up Youth Group, implement a leadership training program, and create a youth buddy system. They also wanted to spread awareness about brain health from youth to seniors, expand their network, make community connections, and host related events. Since kickoff, they've created a buddy system, spread awareness of their youth program, engaged youth in strategic planning, hosted events to share brain health and neuroscience information, and formed partnerships to grow their program. Teams number 9 and 13, Show Me the Money. Their mission was to create and distribute a survey to understand why organizations aren't applying for and using available grants to support individuals and households lacking permanent housing. In just 100 days, they explored funding for survey creation, methods of surveying, identified contacts for distribution, and successfully created the survey. Team number 10, Highlighting Positive Impact in Muskegon Heights. Team number 10 aimed to create a document highlighting Muskegon Heights and work with businesses and students on TikTok promoting the city. They've since created the brochure and learned about the many businesses within the Heights, realizing that even in a small community, their impact can be significant and appreciated. Team number 11, Rise and Thrive Finance. With the goal of establishing financial literacy courses for local teens and young adults, an initial event is now in the final planning stages. They've established course content and layout for several presentations, addressed goals for assessing effectiveness, and the team champion has developed confidence in leading and advocating for the project. Team number 12, Funding Support for Rideshare. Their goal was to engage Muskegon area employers and community leaders to encourage subsidization of employee transportation options and design outreach strategies. They gained significant support from municipal leaders, developed a communication strategy ready for implementation, and applied for a grant from the American Public Transportation Association to further outreach and awareness for transportation options in Muskegon. Team number 14, Parent Support and Education Coalition. This team aimed to expand parent groups to provide education and training to new audiences. They successfully recruited 20 new parents for cafes in April and May, an additional 13 new parents for a June cafe, reaching a total of 33 individuals new to parent cafes. They also established a new cafe event for June 26th and expanded their parent outreach by over 500 individuals through intentional networking. Team number 15, Life Builders. 100 days ago, team number 15 decided to host a 4-part series featuring water safety, finances, home economics, and life skills education. They've since hosted a paddleboard and kayaking safety course and finalized their goal to create a water and kayak safety informational pamphlet. Team number 16, substitute pool for childcare services. With a bold goal to develop a licensed childcare substitute pool to fill staffing gaps, they've surveyed childcare providers, identified messaging strategies to promote try-share, reviewed national practices for substitute systems and funding, and initiated advocacy efforts for fair wages and broader support. Team number 17, urban farming curriculum. The team wanted to create an urban farming curriculum and implement at least one classroom session. They've successfully created an 8-step user-friendly curriculum that's easily expandable for beginners and beyond. And they've hosted their classroom sessions with more events planned. Team number 18. This team initially wanted to host a huge career fair. Since kickoff, they've partnered with local organizations such as West Michigan Works, GVSU, MCC, and MAISD. They've since reimagined their goal to an artificial intelligence-oriented career fair, with an idea to invite all 10th graders to the downtown convention center to learn about AI through awareness, exploration, and preparation. The team will continue to work towards this new goal. Great job to all the teams for what they were able to achieve in mere 100 days, and thank you for their ongoing efforts. Do you have what it takes to improve livability in Muskegon? Visit livabilitylab.com to learn more and connect with us.